Okay, so when you want to save any document, you should have it in a folder somewhere. So if you have a downloads folder, there's all your downloads. If you go to desktop, it shows you all the stuff on your desktop, images, pictures, all that stuff. Okay, you should have documents. That is your main documents folder. So I've got all my tax stuff, my proof of payments, my Varsity College, my APS, everything is here. So everything is saved in documents. Okay, that's where you normally save stuff. If you want to create a folder, you go here, you put a new folder, call it whatever you want to call it. I'm going to call mine test. And there's my folder, and it's empty. Okay, on top it says on this PC in documents test. All right. So if I go documents, there it is, test. Anyway, so if you've got a Excel spreadsheet open, let's say I've got Excel open or whatever, I want to save this. I go File, Save As, and when I go Save As, yours might be slightly different, but the main thing is you should find this screen. When you got this screen, okay, this is what you've got. You've got two areas. You got here, where you're saving it, and what name you're giving it. That is the two things you have to know before you click save. Okay, so if I go on the left here, I can go to download. Oops, let me just close this. And go to downloads or desktop or wherever, pictures, my music. I'm going to documents. And in documents, I'm looking for the folder I want to save my stuff in. So wherever, there's my SARS, I'll save stuff in there. So I want to save, there's a folder I created test. I open it up. So step one, I'm saving it as in a folder called under documents called test, and I'm saving this as test Excel sheet, okay, or whatever you want to call it. Okay, so there we go, and I click save. So basically, if I close this Excel spreadsheet and I go back to my folder where it says documents, if I click on my folder, I go to, let's say on the left here, documents, and there's all my folders again, and I'm looking for test. And there it is, test Excel sheet. That's the one I created. Okay, now if I want to add it to my email, I just go to my email and I'll create a new one, sending it to whoever I'm sending it to. Subject. Okay, so here's your body, always on the top here. If you look here, there you got attach file. All right, attach file with a paperclip. That, you click on it, and it should open up this window again. So I'm looking for it. Where is it? No, it's not in desktop. It's not in music. It is in my documents folder. In documents, I've got one called test. There it is there. Open it up, and there's my Excel spreadsheet. So I open that one. See, now I've got it attached. And that's how you attach a document.